Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and signing into the exact Google account that manages the business profile. This prevents permission errors. Once signed in, go straight to the Business Profile Manager, select the business, and open the website section. This launches the editor. Make sure to gather your current business name, address, phone, hours, and a primary image first, because you will replace or edit those fields immediately. Doing this saves time and avoids accidental data loss while you make live changes. Once inside the editor, focus on content blocks. Click a text or image block to change copy and swap media. Drag blocks to reorder the page for visitor priority. You should refine your headline and description with clear keywords, using 1 to 2 short sentences per section to improve readability. Next, set your primary call to action, call, directions, or booking link, and verify each target link. Make sure to preview mobile and desktop. Small layout shifts often happen between views, and you want both to look polished. Finish by previewing desktop and mobile, then click Publish so changes go live. Remember, updates can propagate in minutes to hours. After publishing, test every link, phone number, and hours on a separate device. If you don't see edits, clear your browser cache and refresh. If publishing fails, check that you still have manager permissions, disable browser extensions, or try another browser, and confirm Google services are operational. If needed, resave the page after fixes and republish. That usually resolves transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.